Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I will answer a question from Canva Tips and Hacks Facebook group how to create this kind of text. So I will show you how to make it in Photopea. I will add a new tab and type Photopea, enter, and then click new project, and then go to print, and I will choose A4, and then click create. Now go to type tool, click here on the T, type tool, and then change the size, and then click here on the page and type the text, and then click the move tool, and then click this corner and drag it to the corner. Now let's change the font. Click the type tool again and click this font. Usually the name of the font is college, but let's see, I will check it. But the T is different, so we have to install new font. Okay, now add a new tab and then type here font like college, enter, and I will choose this 93 college font, click it, and then find the same font like this text. So I will searching it, add to a new page. I think this font is enough. And then let's see here, this font is free for personal use. If you want to free for commercial, you can search the other font. And then I will download it. Okay, now go back to Photopea. Now go to font and then click load font. And then click this college font that we just download. Click here and then right click. First, we have to extract all and click extract. And then close it and then search the folder. This is the folder and double click on it. And then click here on the open type font and then click open and then click OK. Back to this font and then type here block and then choose the college block. Okay, now we have the same font. Click the move tool to move it. Okay, I will increase the size. I will place it here. Press your shift button and then drag it to the bottom or to the top. Okay, I think it's enough. Now press your Alt button and scroll up to increase the view. And then select here on the layers, and click here, right click, and then rasterize. Now it's more than a text, it's an image. Click this rectangle select, and then select here. Now press your delete button on your keyboard. Okay, we have deleted. Now let's make it here. Feel free to use your creativity and then delete, and I will erase here. Now click anywhere. All right. Now select this part carefully, only this part. Okay, like this. Now press Ctrl J to duplicate that part. Ctrl J. Okay, so we have two layers now. And then click on this layer one. And then go to layer, click this layer. And then layer style. And then blending option. And then click color overlay. And click this box and change it to red. And click OK. And click OK. So now you have it. Now click here and then press your shift button and click here and then drag it down, and you can also increase the size of the bold. Okay. And then type the rest of the text. Now go to the type tool and then click here and type marching band and Ctrl A and then change the font to, I think it's a script font. and then just choose here. For example, I will choose this one called sun, and then click the move tool, drag the corner to increase the size. I think the position is here, and then change the color of the text. Click the text tool, and then click in this black box and change it to red and click OK. Now click the move tool and then click layer and then layer style and then choose stroke and then click this black, change to white and click OK. And then add the size. I think 12 is enough and then click OK. And then type again the text and type here yours and then select all, Control A and click the font and then click this college block and then click the move tool and reduce the size and make sure it's in the center. All right, so now you have it, and then click on the background and click this bucket. So now it becomes transparent, and then go to file and then you can print if you're directly connect to the printer, or just export as PNG or PDF. I will choose PNG. So this is the tutorial. I hope it helps you. See you next video and have fun.